What's up guys, you're watching The Sit Show, and if you are new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about the new error, how to fix PS4 WV-36350-7 can't sign in the PSN account. So I'm just going to show my screen on the left side, and here we go to the screen. Here we go to settings and go to account management, not account management. You just simply go to the internet and the network settings or login settings. If you go to login settings, here you must check in the PS4 automatically log in. Here's a create new one or delete users. Go back and go to the network. Here we are, account management. Here you just simply sign out and sign in again, but you must go to the network also. Here is and you check the DNS server. Sometimes the DNS server is down, that's why your PSN account all the sign out and not going to sign in because of the internet server down, PlayStation server is down. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.